All right, it's time to bring in the big boys. That's right. Time to bring in those big old blasts from the past. The big old D8s. I'll give you a quick rundown. We're going to bring in the number 5 car, Billy Townsend, the 01 of Chris Blanford, 71 of Brian Edwards, the 113 of Rusty English, the 300 of Jonathan Nutt, the 98 of Kevin Greenway, the 11 of Jake Shipley, the 58 of Nicholas Duncan, the 25 of Andy Chester, the 057 of Joe Langshaw, 33X, Joe Martin, and the 44 of Will Lewis Jr. All right, got the 6-7 coming on in there. Looks like we're putting the barriers in place, and you know what that means? That means it's time to get down to serious action here with the Stony Roberts Demolition Derby. I'll tell you what, we got big metal out there. That means big action.
That's funny as hell you ran in that beer.
All right, we're going to look the whole way around. Y'all get ready to help me out now. Officials in place and looking up on the top side. Whole way around. Here we go, y'all. Help me out now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pedal down. Let's get them together right down in center court. 33-6 coming out real fast, making a big crunch. A Rooney hit. 6-7 on him. All right, we're going to bring them on around down here. We're going to bring it 25. Yes, in on the fire. Oh, my! Up on the wall! Up on the wall! Up on the wall with the 33X. 33X car up on the wall. Joe Martin, 71 going down. 45 coming on over Andy Chester. Chester in the 2-5, 11 on the far side. 6-7 coming around the horn. Got another 5 of Billy Townsend. Oh, just put him up on the wall real good. Look out, big hit right down here. We're getting serious here tonight. All right, we're going to bring the 01 car on there and Chris Blanford. Blanford in the 01. All right, 5-8 going on by Illinois contract on the 5-8. All right, we're rocking and rolling back and forth. 6-7 out there, Tardak is 98 in the far corner. 1-1-3 of Rusty English on the far side. All right, got 1, 2, 3, 4 working down here. 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8. Big hit on the 5 machine of Billy Townsend. Townsend age in the heat. 7-1 of Brian Edwards coming all around, working down in the corner. 4-4 up on the top side. Oh, my. Oh, we're going to spin away that like that. That's a big hit. 2-4. We get a big hit out of 1-1-3 of Rusty English. 3-5 coming on down. Round and round and round we go. 5-8 working down on this side. Here comes a 9-8 machine of Kevin Greenway. Greenway down in the corner. Look out. Oh, my. Crunch-a-Rooney on the far side. 2-5 doing the old Crunch-a-Rooney and his Chester. All right, 11 on coming on down. 01 going to work on 11-44. Going to get into it. We're going to get them all together. 01 going up the far side. 6-7 over towards the cement wall. 98. Oh, another big hit out of that 5-8 machine out there. Nicholas Duncan. All right, 2-5 coming on back. 1-1-3 off the wall and back into action with a vengeance. Taking a big hit. All right, we done did a bumper flipper on it. Okay, coming around 2-5 into it. 7-1 working right down here. 2-5 coming around 7-1, 6-7. Oh, look at it. Oh, big hit. Out of the 11 out there. Jake Shipley. 5-8 going all wild. Here we go, 2-5 taking a bend, Rooney on a 1-1-3. 2-5 car coming on around. Bam, 1-1-3 taking the hit. We got action back here, 11 working on 6725, bring the far side, 44. 113 working right on down here. 01 going to get back into it, 01 of this Landford. Oh my, 71 coming the whole way around. Bam, another big hit out of that 2-5 machine and in Chester. 113 on the well done with a 6-7 machine and Todd Atkins. 01 down on the far side. Atkins gets close to 113 still tied up. 2-5 working in 5-8. 1-1 going to come on down. All right, 6-7 going to go back in 4-7 and 1 working back in 4. 11 car over on the far side. 11 machine and Jake Shipley, look out. 5-8 coming around. Action slides through the middle. 6-7 back in the action. Todd Atkins. 7-1 working right down here. 7-1 of Brian Edwards. All right, 2-5, 5-8, 11. Should be down the floor right now. All right, 7-1 coming around that one. 2-5, 5-8. Big hit out of that 2-5 machine. And Chester. Chester in the 2-5. 5-8 coming around down here in that 5-8 machine. And Nicholas Dungeon. 11 car working right down here. Jake Shipley in the 11. 6-7 still running down there at Todd Atkins. All right, got 4 still running out there. 01 driven. Chaz Blanford in 01. All right, 11 going to come back in. 4-5-8 looking for somebody. Here we go, here we go. All right, 2-5 into 11 coming back out of Jake Shipley. Looks like we're down to about 4 right now. All right, 11 car coming around the horn, 5-8, 01 and a 2-5. 5-8 machine of Nicholas Dungeon. Working back in for the 2-5, Andy Chester tied right up in there. 6-7 coming back out of the pack. Todd Atkins. 2-5 coming on around. All right, 01 sitting still right now. 6-7 going to come on back on him. Bam, all out of the 2-5. All right, 6-7 going to go on down. 2-5 working on a 5 moving right now. 01's the only one free up on the top side with Blanford. All right, going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Coming around the horn up here, you got the 11 machine of Jake Shipley. Shipley in the 01. 2-5 coming around, getting set. Taking a bump. 01 car getting moving one more time. 5-8 says, how do you do? Out of the 5-8 machine of Nicholas Dungeon. Look out, 11 making a big hit. The 11 machine Shipley. 2-5 coming back on the 6-7 one more time. 5-8 on out there. 11 working up here. Big steam heat. 2-5 on the 5-8 steam heat coming out of the 11. 2-5 coming around the horn end in Chester. 5-8 on the 6-7. Oh, double trouble for the 6-7. 01 coming up on the far side. Chaz Blanford. 5-8 does the spinneroonie for him. 2-5. Oh my, we're going to get 1, going to get 2. There on the 4 it looks like. Oh, 6-7 is back in it one more time. He's still rocking and rolling. 11 come on over, say how do you do to him. 5-8 out on the top side, looking it over. Look at big hit right down here. 5-8 working back and forth, going to get him tied up in the middle. 2-5 going to spin on the 6-7. 01 comes over and said, let me help you out. All right, 2 down there, 3 running up here. 2-5 into 5-8. All right, now we take it the other way around. Take it on around. All right, 2-5, 5-8. 01 working down there, 3 running up here. It could be down to 3. You got the clock running on the 01 down here. Look how round and round and round we go. All right, 11, 2-5, and 5-8. 11, 2-5, and 5-8 here